Happy Tuesday, February 25th. Gina here with your weekly market update. Last week, markets experienced some turbulence, as most of you are aware. There were a few key highlights to touch on. Most of this is just around uncertainty. As we all know, the market does not like that. So obviously there are still tariff concerns. Investors are still worried about the potential impact on economic growth that this will have. But mostly there really is just so much that is still unknown surrounding this topic. Also, the tech sector saw a decline. There's a lot of anticipation around NVIDIA's upcoming earnings in light of the new competition. They report their earnings tomorrow, so it'll be interesting to see how that shakes out. Consumer sentiment overall is just a little bit uncertain and cautious. That being said, even with the recent volatility, believe it or not, the market is still up so far year to date. So again, perspective is important. Speaking of perspective, we have had a tremendous couple years of equity growth. Many of you have seen your equity portfolios perform so well that your overall allocation has started to drift. So to reiterate what Matt said last week, because of all of this, we are going to start to analyze and rebalance some portfolios back to their original allocation. This will not happen right away, so don't worry if you don't see this happen in your portfolio tomorrow. We just feel that it's a relatively good time to capture some gain and maybe take a little bit of risk off the table. If you have questions or concerns revolving this, let us know. Otherwise, we'll talk to you next week.